Okay, welcome everybody. In this video I'll show you how to use geometric tolerances and surface roughnesses. So we're going to start with geometric tolerances. So here we have all the views and annotations. We can apply geometric tolerances and surface roughness symbols. So we're going to start with geometric tolerances. So if we click on this, we immediately get a new option. As you can see here at the top, something's also attached to my mouse. And in the first symbol box I can select which type of geometric tolerance I want to apply. In this case I want to apply flatness and with a tolerance of 0.1. Then if I move this over, as you can see, it's now attached to my mouse and I can now add this to certain faces. So if I click on OK, it will disappear. So make sure you apply the geometric tolerances while the menu is open. So you can then click on the face and then it will auto snap and we can apply to that face. We can also apply to multiple parts if we would like to. So this is a geometric tolerance without a reference. Now there are also geometric tolerances that do require a reference, for instance parallel or perpendicular. So let's add one of those. Let's create a perpendicular tolerance of 0.1 and in the second tolerance section we're going to select A. And we're once again going to select this face here. Okay, so now it says that the top part, which is this face, is parallel with a tolerance of 1.0.1, sorry, according to A. But A is not specified, so using the datum feature here in top, we can specify A. So we select we want the letter A, we can click on this line and then we can add the A. As you can see, for the next number it automatically snaps to the B. If we would like to change it, if we go to datum feature on our left here, we can change it and we can also choose a different type of leader. So this is how we add the geometric tolerances, which is quite easy to do. Now let's remove them again and let's show you how to add surface finish symbols, which are here. So if I click on this, I can first select the type of finish symbol that I want. I can click the general symbol, I can click machining required or machining prohibited. So as you can see here in the left, I can enter all the values and I can then attach it again to a face or to a line. And I can also add an arrow. If I click on the arrow option here, I get it attached to an arrow, which I can then auto snap and move around any desired position. I can also add it to a face. As you can see, if I click escape, you can see the point now automatically, or the arrow automatically turns into a point now. And if I would like to change it, I can click on it, select a different option, add some text, etc. It's all possible. Okay, so now that we've added our local surface roughness symbols, we're going to add the table, which you'll usually see in the top left corner of the 2D drawing. This is an example of the table and we're going to recreate it. But first let's change the numbers because they don't match up now. This is our general surface roughness and this is our minimum and maximum surface roughness. So the value of 3.2 is assigned to everything we haven't specifically assigned in the drawing. So everything should be a minimum of 3.2 and we've assigned the value of 0.4 and 0.2, which doesn't really match up now. So let's change this value to 0.2 and let's change this value to 0.4 and click OK. So now this matches up and now we're going to show you how to recreate this section. So we're going to delete this. We're going to add a little bit of text using a note, make it a little bit larger. And let's select the font size of 26. And then here we can click on the left insert surface finish symbol. Then we can select the type and then we can enter a value. And we can just open a bracket by typing, selecting another symbol, adding the value of 0.4, type a comma, and then add the value of 0.2 and then close the bracket. Now if we select everything, we can also make it bold, click on OK, and now we've added the surface finish symbols in the top left corner. So this was all for this video. In the next video we're going to show you how to work with configurations, exploded views, hatches, mainly everything you'll be needing when working with assemblies. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video.